It was getting a little annoying just filming with this thing on my head, but you know, we just took this thing out from here, and then just took this thing out from the bottom. You know, I did just push this lever down so it can have some space, but that's what it is. This thing is freaking dirty. We gotta clean this up. All right. Next, we gonna do this. Take screw here. There's a screw right here, and there's something you gotta disconnect back here and down here as well. All right, let's get it done. We got this thing out. Now you want to install the new one. Now you want to like kind of squeeze this and put on the new one. So I'm not replacing everything. So you gotta kind of this little clip right here. You're gonna squeeze it, and then pull. Oh, my days. There you go. And it's gonna install into the new one. And now reverse order. Done. We fixed it. It works now.